Hey out there, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know, you see the green box? You know we're going to take a look at something by CRKT. And I know by clicking on the thumbnail and everything else, you know we're going to take a look at the Razelcliffe Compact. Okay, before we get too far into it, you know CRKT always includes propaganda with all of its blades. Looks like today they want you to look again at the Parasol by Ken Onion. There we go. Now I saw this one on an email from CRKT, and I thought, what a weak little guy. Whoo, hey, that thing looks kind of cute, don't it? So I thought to myself, it might be a good one for everyday carry, might not scare the normies and, non-knife people. I went, okay. And then I got to thinking after I cut myself twice with it in 5 minutes, that, oh yeah, CRKT says it has the non-threatening look of a Wharncliffe, but the piercing power of a Tonto. Yeah, my dumbass got caught twice by that when I was opening it and closing it. Not even realized I slipped myself until I went, why does my hand hurt? Looked down and went, oh, yeah. So, okay, well, let's get into the fun stuff like this one, like we always do. Now, this one is a John Graham design. It's got an overall length of 5.25 inches. The blade is 2.125, there we go. And they say closed, it's about 3.25 inches. Now, it has a little weight to it of 3.27 ounces, but honestly, after you attach it to your pants pocket, you really don't feel it that much anymore. It takes a moment to get used to it. It has a cutting edge of 2.375 inches. Now, they say it's got a flat grind. It has that dual fine edge, as you can see there, for the front and the back. Now, they say it's a black stonewash, but I'll be honest with you, it looks kind of grayish to me. But they say it's black, and, I can see both ways, but okay, black. Plain edge, as I said, an 8CR13 MOV for the steel. I know, it's a budget steel, it's not a super steel, but you're not paying a lot for this, and you will get used to sharpening your blade. I mean, it will last you a bit, and that's the important part, right, is that, how shall we say, that relationship you forge with your blade. Now, we do have a stainless steel frame, which does have that blackish-grayish stonewash finish. It does have a frame lock. Now, it's got a flipper open, and if you look right there, that's the symbol for the IKBS system, but nowhere could I find where it was labeled IKBS. And honestly, it kind of sticks a bit. But that's all right. Only one way to carry it, right-hand carry, tip up, and yes, it is made in China. All right, let's get to the cut test like we usually like to do. Now, if you're brand new to the channel, we usually do just 3 simple ones, okay? We're going to start off heavy-duty stock paper. Not bad till the end, right? Alright, now let's see if we can get a little curly Q. Not having too much success with that, but one did start there. And the reason why I do that, guys, is because, like I've said in lots of other videos, anybody can just take a blade and go sharp. But if you just take it and you run it right across and you, oh, there we go, and you keep it on the same angle and just pull it slowly, that should happen. That paper should curl back in on itself, and that's going to tell you there's really no micro abrasions or anything else, that your blade is really, really sharp. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Paracord. Okay, pull test. Whew, right through it, no problem. Let's just do a slice. Oh yeah. And yes, I know, guys, he is back on the channel yet again, by popular demand, Mr. Ratchet Strap. Let's see how this one holds up. Oh yeah. Okay, as I always do, really not seeing anything on the blade itself. A little bit from the ratchet strap right there, but nothing, no real glinting, no real anything else. What's that? Maybe a little bit right down here. It looks a little weird, but that's okay. Alright, now I'm filming this video on December 16th, 2020. And I went looking on the 3 usual spots to get a price point and ratings on this guy. Amazon, CRKT, and Blade HQ. On Amazon, it's going to run you $32.95, and it is Prime eligible. CRKT is $39.99, and it is out of stock as of filming the video. Blade HQ, $24.99. It's been reviewed it's got a 4 1/4 rating out of 5 stars on Blade HQ with 2 reviews. Has yet to be reviewed on CRKT and not reviewed yet on Amazon.com. Now we're at the best part of the video. Seriously, I love this part of the video, guys. Let's just call it audience participation. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger down below. I'd like to know, do you think this guy's a nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? After it bit me, it kind of owned me, so I kind of have to like it, you know? But I don't know. It's an interesting look to it. It fits kind of okay in the hand. It reminds me of neck knives, to be honest, because my pinky's usually hanging off there. But it's still not a bad blade, in my opinion, except for I always got to remember that front, because, yeah, she bit me twice. Okay, so for you first-time viewers on my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know we have lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful that you're choosing this video. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is, why not? Why don't you leave me an answer right down below in the comments section, and let's see what we can do to change the course of history of the channel. Now, after you've done all that fun stuff, please look right down here in that corner. You're going to see a big old channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked it out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because it's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we know and love out there on YouTube, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the CRKT Razelcliffe Compact. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day today. I hope you're having a safe day, and we'll see you in the next video.